My time here at Assumption, especially being a student athlete, has been great. I think the team, it's like a family, and I think that they really helped me freshman, sophomore, junior, and even now senior year. On and off the field, we really support each other from the coaching staff and from all the players. It's really a positive environment.
Not only do we want to be good soccer players and be good in the classroom, but be good people. And so we've been stressing a lot of that, of being the total person. And I think every day we kind of talk about how we can be better people as we go through each and every day.
We come out every day and practice hard, it's intense, and when it comes to games, we focus and we're ready to play, and we come out each game ready to go and play our hardest and just leave it all on the field.
I think it's definitely the relationship with our teammates. With all the incoming freshmen, as I got older, it made it easier and easier just to welcome them, and they gain relationships with all the upperclassmen right away.
This is a great place to thrive at, not only athletically but academically as well. I think there are a ton of opportunities for our students here and student athletes in general. It's a fun atmosphere, a good friendly environment, and a place that you can totally excel at.